Imagine a world where the Roman Empire discovered electricity 2,000 years ago, not in laboratories, not through modern science, but through raw experimentation with amber, copper, and ancient batteries. One spark, one accident, one moment of realization would change the course of human history forever. The greatest empire on Earth would suddenly unlock a force far more powerful than steel, politics, or war. The power to harness lightning itself. At first, the discovery begins with curiosity. Strange shocks from metal tools, static energy stored in clay jars, early experiments that imitate the Baghdad battery centuries before anyone truly understands it. But unlike real history, this time Rome understands exactly what it has found. And once the empire gains an advantage, it never gives it back. Within decades, Roman engineers developed primitive dynamos, shock spears for elite warriors, electrified shields for legionaries, and defensive towers humming with early electrical energy. No army on Earth stands a chance. Tribes that once threatened Rome now flee from glowing weapons and thunderous machines. Cities that would have fallen rise again under electric lights glowing through marble streets. And with lightning at its command, the empire expands farther than history ever allowed, deep into Africa, into Northern Europe, into Asia, forging a superstate held together by power no ancient civilization could comprehend. But the physical world is only the beginning. Once Rome masters electricity, it transforms communication. Signal beacons blink coded messages across mountains. Early telegraph-like systems stretch between cities. Orders from the emperor travel in seconds, not weeks. It is not just technology, it is absolute control, surveillance, obedience, an empire that sees everything and forgets nothing. But early technology always comes with a price. As Rome industrializes 1,800 years early, factories rise beside temples. Steam engines powered by electric sparks thunder through the empire. Smoke drifts above ancient skylines. Mechanical tools reshape cities. Workers suffer under machines they do not understand. And society changes faster than humans can adapt. With electricity comes magnetism. With magnetism comes early discoveries of radio waves. With radio waves comes the possibility of ancient broadcast systems. Senators debate with electric calculators. Scientists map the stars with powered instruments. Philosophers attempt to understand a universe that has arrived too early. And beneath all this progress lies something darker. Rome does not use electricity to create freedom. It uses it to enforce domination. Electric torture devices become common. Shock collars restrain slaves. Citizens live under constant monitoring through electric beacons and coded signals. Technology accelerates, but morality does not. The empire becomes efficient, powerful, unbreakable, and terrifying. Airships powered by electric turbines drift above colosseums. Steam-powered chariots race through stone streets. Early robots, built from gears and copper circuits, perform simple tasks for nobles. And as centuries pass, Rome never collapses. No dark ages, no technological silence. Instead, a world ruled by a single superpower that advances faster than any society should ever be allowed to. A digital age begins 1,000 years early, without democracy, without human rights, without restraint. The future arrives too soon, and it crushes everything beneath it. So the real question becomes, would an electrically powered Roman Empire create a golden age of innovation, or the most terrifying technological dictatorship in the history of our species?